Hello darlings, so today I'm doing an LBD makeup tutorial. For those of you who don't know, LBD is basically a little black dress and it's like an essential for any girl. So to start off, I'm going to start off by doing something simple and not too complicated because I don't want to be too flashy. So I'm wearing this headband just to keep my hair out of my face and like so it doesn't fall on my makeup. So first off, I'm going to start off with moisturizing with Clinique's Dramatic Different Hydrating Jelly. This is important because you know you don't want your skin to be too dry, so I just use a little bit of this. And then once you have your moisturizer ready to go, you start using your primer. This is the Maybelline Baby Skin. So as you can see, it's a cool gel formula. This is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Lip Primer. And then this is the e.l.f. eye primer. I think it's called Locket Base or something. And then use your ring fingers to massage it in, but like spread it out. Sephora Lip Primer, as I mentioned before. I feel like it helps to keep it on longer, but honestly don't know if it's actually doing anything. Now, I'm gonna go on with my foundation. This is the Sephora foundation. You can find it online. And this is my matching Sephora brush. So first, I'm gonna put some on my wrist. And then, painting time. I just kind of like go wherever. I don't really have like a certain direction. Just kind of brush it out. Now I'm gonna go with my Sephora concealer. This is like the gel serum. And then I'm gonna use my concealer brush to go over it. Time. So this is also from Sephora. As you can see, I buy a lot of stuff from Sephora collection. So this is because I have an oval face. The way you contour might be different, but here's what I do. And now for the highlighter side. For the fun part where we blend it all in. Now I'm going to be using my blush. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Paints. I like this because it has different colors. You can like play around and see what color you want. So for today I want to go like for pink, so I'm going for this pink. So, and this is the part where you make a fish face. And then kind of like diffuse it out towards your ear. Now it's time for the eyes. So I started using this Lash primer. This is by L'Oreal Voluminous primer, and it basically like makes your lashes white. This does take a while to dry because if you put it on immediately, then like the black and the white mixes and it's bad. So I'm gonna put this on now. See, it makes you look like a ghost. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes. So for today's look, I'm using Berry Burst by Voss. And first off, we want to start with a neutral color for our base. So, oh, I forgot. I started this new thing where I started spritzing my brushes with setting spray. So you want to spritz them that they get damp but not too wet. So here we go. And this just helps like get more pigmentation on your eye. So back to our violet Voss. Ta-da! And this was that color if any of you want to know. So I'm debating if I should go pink or neutral. I'm thinking I'm gonna go pink because I'm gonna do my lips pink. So for that, let's use this color in the middle. And a good tool for those of you who've never tried this is the color switch by Sephora. If you want to like get off a little color from your brush, then you can use this. So pink it is. Okay, now that we have our pink set in place, I'm gonna go in over it with a darker pinky shade. And this time I'm gonna try to really pack it on there. Which is why before I was like brushing, but now I'm like punching. I'm gonna go use this brown color for my crease. So you wanna go like windshield wipers motion. Once that's done, I'm gonna pile on the glitter with this. Let's go for like a darker pink. So since it's a black dress, I'm gonna use this color. So I just wanna like pile it near my lash line because when you open your eye, you can see that glitter. And then I'm gonna do a little lighter glitter inside. Oh, the lighter color is this one. Bam. Now that we're talking eyeshadow, I'm gonna go on my eyeliner. FYI, I suck at eyeliner. So this is Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I'm gonna start near my lash line, and I'm gonna use this little mirror. Ta-da! Yeah, I think this one came a little thinner, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go on my mascara, because as you remember, we put on our primer. This is Monsieur Big by Lancôme, and this is Biggest New Black. So now I'm gonna do my brows, and I can also finally put on our glasses. I think it looks okay. Doing makeup with glasses is a huge challenge. But that's hard. So this is the e.l.f. brow pencil. I'm just gonna use it to kind of towards the corners. Then we get to use this guy. Now I'm gonna use my lip pencil. I usually don't use lip pencils. Lip liners to like outline because I don't usually have all those colors, but for this one I will. All the products I use in this video will be in the description, so don't worry if I forget to tell you what it is. This one is NYX Matte Cream by NYX, and it's Milan. Okay, so now we're going to finish it off with a setting powder. This one's by e.l.f. And a little trick I like to do for a lipstick is take paper, tissue paper, or like a napkin or a tissue or anything, and like split it in between, like that. Usually it rips, it's not ripping. Works better with tissue paper, but split it and then put it over your lips and take your setting powder. This works best with blotting paper, but I don't use blotting paper, I use the Blotterazzi, which is why I have to use that. So I take off glasses and then setting powder, and I kind of just work it into my face. We're all done. Ta-da! So now I can take off the headband and fix my hair. Hope you liked it. Sorry this was terrible with my first video. Bye!